Hey guys, it's been about a year since we got in our AMP MTs, and well, this is what's happened to our shells so far, and we have used them in like all sorts of weather, cold, hot, at the campground, which is real rocky, bumpy, and all that. Basically, the holes, like, you know, it used to be the shock towers here, are torn. Mine are worse than his, and there's a reason for that, but we tried using tape. This is Gorilla Tape right here. It worked for a little bit, but not very long because the tape started ripping. Back here too, like right here. These shock posts right here hit, and they're bumped out, and then this ended up falling all the way off. And yeah, that's why you can see that. And then there's also something back here to hold this up a little bit. Just a whole bunch of rip marks where the pins are. What we ended up doing for the front, at least, was these screws, which held them on, which worked really good, but, you know, kind of time for a change up. We decided to get new shells for our trucks. Okay, so these are our new shells or bodies for our cars. I got a Tamiya Ferrari.
I got a Protoform Ford GT. We masked off our cars the way we wanted to, so we could paint it the way we wanted to. For me, I started off with my orange, so I had to mask off the stripes and sides and the spoiler. Okay. To make this shell fit, we had to cut out, like if you can see, there's like a little glare, but I don't know if you can see it, but that's where it should be. But we had to like carve a ton out for the front so you can actually steer. We had to cut out the holes ourselves. We put foam on the washers so that we don't destroy shells like last time. They fit on pretty nicely. This is my new shell for my AMP MT.
Okay, so this is my car body. I got a Ferrari. Just like on my brother's, both of us have the foam pads on the bottom here to help protect the shell. But on the inside of them, we have... Alright, so we put these washers on down here to help protect the holes so they don't get ripped out as easily as the other one. Over here on the side, I have like the mirrors. They have these little clips and a little piece of tape so they don't destroy the paint. And then on the back, because it's a window, you can't really put the washer and everything back there, otherwise it'd look kind of funny. This car does come with the option, so like under the sticker it's clear, so you can put it comes with like all the light stuff, so you can put lights in it. And these side mirrors do come off. They also like spin, sort of. I don't want to spin them because once those holes get loose, they're not going to stay up. But I have a feeling those won't be on for very long. And yeah, so same with my brothers. We did have to cut out along, like the actual, like, well, the actual hole is supposed to be like right here, but we had to make it bigger. Same with the back here, because they weren't made for this car. We just thought they were cool and wanted to use them. Alright, here is my new shell for my AMP MT.
Watch for videos of us running with our new car bodies soon.